This is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to be doing a wave spiral swipe. And this is a technique that can easily be done by a confident beginner. PPG Multi-Pro is going down on my tile right now. This is a 6x6 tile. I like working on them because it's a great practice substrate. And after I'm done, I can resin them and turn them into trivets. This is Prussian blue by Golden. And I'm just putting down a nice healthy swipe here. Something to swipe, be able to do my swipe through. Next down, this is Quinacridone Nickel Azole Gold. It is one of my favorite colors, and unfortunately it is going away. The great thing about Nickel Azole Gold is when you swipe it across white, it has a chance to go yellow. And this is a new color. This is Soro-Iro Blue by Eye Candy, and it has a lot of depth in this color. This is Honeycomb by this little Piggy, and it's a yellow gold. It's a very striking color. Okay, the next thing up is my titanium white by Amsterdam. This is my cell activator. It's mixed with 3 parts of Australian floetrol. What I'm doing here is I'm just spiraling out and dragging the colors out. Now you're going to notice that I did this is to not push down too hard on the paint, because what ends up happening is your paint will smear and you'll get more of a blending of color, which is what happened with the end of that spiral there. You'll notice that when I do the flyover later, that I got some green in there and there was no green that we put down. So, there we go. I cut a little bit of the spinning out and got it in. Checking now for the depth. You're going to see that there really isn't that much. It's looking really good. So we're going to call it good, and I'll take you down and give you a closer look, and then we'll do the flyover. Okay, get a decent look at this. You can see the green there on the bottom. Not a bad look. It's just not necessarily the look I'm looking for when I'm doing a spiral swipe. You see that I did get some beautiful cells, and that's the reason I decided to use this for demonstrating this technique today. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. I want to thank you very much for being here today, and hope that you got something out of this. Until next time, bye for now.